Hello and welcome to Apartment Cookery. Today we will be making flour tortillas, and this recipe is extremely simple. There is basically 4 ingredients, 5 if you include water, and these are a little bit thicker than your usual tortillas. They're not like the ones you get at the store that are paper thin. I guess you could say these are New Mexico style, but these are the kind of tortillas I usually like to eat. I usually eat them not as a burrito. I just usually eat them with a plate. So stay tuned for flour tortillas here on Apartment Cookery.